Here at McEntire, we service 150 vehicle fleet, anything from passenger-sized vehicles to heavy equipment like forklifts, tractor trailers, fire trucks, fuel trucks. You know, we're important to the mission because if those vehicles aren't running, we won't be able to support the mission and assist with getting the aircraft off the ground. So a typical day here at Vehicle Maintenance, units will bring their vehicles here to get oil changes or new tires or just regular service. If something pressing happens, then our vehicle maintenance will switch from one job to the other, so sometimes they just don't work on one asset. So we have a mobile maintenance vehicle. They'll respond to different shops on the base when they have needs. If they come on out and their vehicle doesn't start, mobile maintenance vehicle will go on up there and assist and get the vehicle running. If we have a vehicle that gets stranded out on the runway or the taxiway, that becomes priority to get it out of the way in case our jets need to take off. So we have 4 international tractor trailers here. Those are a premier fleet of tractor trailers in the area. They're 13 speed, so they're manual. A lot of your Air Force bases, they have the automatics, so other units will come here, train on our vehicle fleets before a deployment. I just think it's a great opportunity for a new airman coming into the vehicle mechanics career field because when they get here, they can go ahead and learn a whole bunch of different certifications. They can get certified as a tractor trailer driver or specialized equipment for a construction site. They can get certified in operating forklifts, repairing and driving fuel trucks and fire trucks. So they can receive certifications within this career field and use those certifications to better themselves in the civilian world.